Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear students, I am Marina Khalid and I will teach you Islamiyat. Grade 6, we are discussing the first chapter of your book, Al Quranul Kareem. We will start from surahs which you already recite from Holy Quran, Alam Nashra. Student, first of all, we will listen the recitation of Surah Alam Nashra.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the entirely merciful, the especially merciful.
ألم نشرح لك صدرك
Did we not expand for you, O Muhammad, your breast,
ووضعنا عنك وزرك
and we removed from you your burden,
الذي أنقض ظهرك
which had weighed upon your back,
ورفعنا لك ذكرك
and raised high for you your repute.
فإن مع العسر يسرا
For indeed, with hardship will be ease.
إن مع العسر يسرا
Indeed, with hardship will be ease.
فإذا فرغت فانصب
So when you have finished your duties, then stand up for worship,
وإلى ربك فارغب
and to your Lord direct your longing.
The name of this surah is taken from the first verse, Alam Nashra. The other two names of Surah Alam Nashra are relief, Chutkara, the opening up of the heart means Dil ka khul jana, Dil ka kushada ho jana. It is the 94th Surah of Quran and there are 8 verses. This surah is from 30th para. 30th para is basically the position of this surah. There are two characters, Holy Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and Allah are discussed in this surah. This surah describes a conversation between Allah and Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Allah said to Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, "Did we not expand for you, O Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam?" Where the word la shara means expansion, appear. Allah also said to Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam that with the hardship there is relief. Means when you get the pain, Allah gives you the way how to overcome from this pain. So there is one hardship with two relief. This surah was revealed during the early days of Hazrat Muhammad's sallallahu alaihi wasallam's prophethood. Dear student, this is an end of today's lesson. If you have any query, you may ask me on this email ID present on the first slide. I want from you people to memorize this surah by heart. This is the best time to utilize it. Thank you.